Quickly becoming one of my favorite flowering herbs to grow in the garden is nasturtium, which can even be found growing in the wild. It is a very useful plant, so stay tuned and let's learn why. Nasturtium should be considered another essential plant to grow in your garden and on your homestead. Multi-purpose plants are my favorite kind, and not only are nasturtium flowers beautiful, the plant is edible and has medicinal properties too. Nasturtium is high in vitamin C and has antibiotic properties. Eating a few leaves as you start to feel a cold coming on can boost your immune system and stop it dead in its tracks. Recently, I dragged my hand across a nail while roofing a chicken coop for a friend, and I made a poultice out of nasturtium, yarrow, and comfrey. I applied it to the gash, and amazingly, it was fully closed without infection in 9 or 10 days. The only visual signs were slight pinkness and minor swelling around the wound area. Nasturtium has a peppery taste similar to arugula or cress. The leaves make a wonderful addition to salads, and the flowers make a beautiful yet edible garnish. I've recently come across other recipes using nasturtium seeds in place of black peppercorns and even pickled to use in place of capers. I'm excited to try both ways this season. In the garden, nasturtium can repel unwanted pests like cucumber beetles and squash bugs, while it can also be used as a trap crop for aphids. It is very easy to grow and does not require much care. It's best to direct seed as it does not transplant well when the roots are disturbed. There are several varieties, some of which are more shade and drought tolerant, so there's likely one that suits your needs. 2017 is the year of the giveaways, and nasturtium is the plant of the month for May, so be sure to comment below and we'll pick 10 lucky winners and then send them some seeds to try growing it themselves. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and most of all, come grow with us.